Bro, I created this amazing mini ad film for a Bluetooth speaker using Google Veo and an editing software of your choice. Let me show you how you can do it too. So the first step in Google Veo is create an image. I'm going to choose landscape mode 16:9. The model is Nano Banana Pro and I've chosen two outputs per prompt. But you can choose any. यहाँ पर मैं अपनी image upload कर दूंगा. Crop and save. Done. I'll use the prompt. Ultra realistic 8K quality speaker placed on a beach. Nice. The results are pretty good. Let me know in the comment section how you guys liked it. The second result is also nice. I like it. Now to be on safer side, I've put the same prompt on ChatGPT and I think this result is better. And you know, the composition, the highlights, shadows and whatnot. डाउनलोड कर लिया. अब यहाँ पर मुझे एक सीन क्रिएट करना है जहाँ पर waves are touching the speaker from the behind so that we can create an image and use it in Google View to create a video. This is the frame. Looks damn nice to me. The waves are pretty crisp and the composition is same as above. Now next step में हम लोग ये downloaded image paste कर देंगे prompt में. We'll ask ChatGPT to create a short optimized detailed prompt for Google Flow. Choose कर लेंगे frames to videos. First frame होगा हमारा the one where the speaker is kept on the beach. Crop and save. Second prompt would be the one where the waves are touching the speaker from the back. Crop and save. Done. Let's go. अब यहाँ पर I'm going to keep the two outputs per prompt, landscape mode and Veo 3.1 quality. And सब चीज़ें select करने के बाद I'm going to paste the prompt exactly the same way. Ultra realistic 8K cinematic product video and you know, the waves are touching from the back. I want to show that in the video. Let's wait for the result, guys. And done. That's the beauty of Google View. Love it. Now we are coming back to ChatGPT again. यहाँ हम prompt डालेंगे create an ultra realistic quality of the same image जहाँ पर एक person ने speaker को hold किया है. So the idea behind this is I want to show कि beach से किसी ने speaker उठा लिया and you know he's carrying it around the beach. Really good image by ChatGPT. It's getting better day by day. Let's go. इसको download करते हैं. And now what we'll do is यहाँ पर हम लोग same downloaded images paste कर देंगे. One would be the speaker kept on the beach और second image is person holding the speaker. Create a concise, optimized and detailed prompt for Google Flow to generate a video using above frames. Again हमारा prompt ready हो जाएगा. That easy. And इसके बाद we are gonna copy this. We will copy the same exact prompt to create the videos from the frames. First frame is the speaker kept on the beach and second is someone holding the speaker. हम लोग ने prompt paste कर दिया. That easy. And when you are satisfied with everything, just you know, just enter and the results are pretty nice. I think the second video is better, so I'm going to use this one. Now we'll come back to ChatGPT again. यहाँ पर मैंने एक और image generate किया where the Bluetooth speaker is kept on a table with cocktails and food around. Again crop and save करेंगे हम लोग Google View में. The first frame would be the speaker जो table पर पड़ा है. The second frame that I'm going to use is the top view of the speaker. ये image मेरे पास पहले से थी because I want to showcase the buttons of the speaker. Frames insert करने के बाद I'm going to paste the same prompt, ultra realistic 8K cinematic product video, and I want to showcase the top view. Again I chose 16:9 and two outputs per video. Let's wait for the result. I'm pretty excited, guys. Done. Damn nice, man. Google View, man. ये तो start है, guys. This is just the start. अभी सोचो next 3, 4, 5 years में AI क्या करने वाला है, especially with image and video production. I'm going to save this, save it in upscale format 1080. Now coming back to ChatGPT again, मुझे एक scene create करना है where someone accidentally poured some liquid on the speaker because I want to showcase that the speaker is waterproof. So I've added the prompt on ChatGPT and the result is pretty damn good. Let's go. I also asked ChatGPT to add elements of music around the speaker to showcase that it's working even after the liquid is spilled on it. Nice. I like the Bluetooth waves. Again, frames to video. First frame choose करेंगे where the speaker is kept on the table. And the second frame would be the cocktail dropping on the speaker. Nice. Settings would be the same again, but this time I'm going to choose one output to save my AI credits. Let's wait for the result. Nice. Oh, that's pretty damn good, man. Now we are going to insert all the downloaded videos in a timeline. और software में use कर रहा हूँ DaVinci Resolve, but you can choose any software that you want. Once you're satisfied, download the video and you're done. If you like this video and my efforts, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot, and I'm going to see you guys in another one. Till that time, take care and peace out.